Every single ad you just saw was made with Ad Studio on ImagineArt. No camera, no crew, no editing. Just a product and a few clicks. And honestly, the results are incredible. You just see ads, unboxings, ASMR tutorials, visual try-ons, and hypermotion shots. Literally any ad style you can think of. Now here's what actually makes this matter. Making good ads was never easy. The ideas, the production, the location, the crew, the budget, all of it took time, money, and skills most people just don't have. Ad Studio turns that entire process into a few clicks. But making the ad is only half the job. The harder part is getting it seen. Feeds are buried in content, and most ads get scrolled past before anyone even notices. So Ad Studio solves both. Ads that are easy to make, and ads that actually get seen, get watched, and get remembered. And these aren't just pretty videos. They're made to grab attention, hold it, and turn it into sales. All for $5 to $10 an ad, when something like this would normally cost you hundreds and even thousands of dollars. Best part, you don't need to be an expert. You don't need to know anything about prompts, or cameras, or even editing. It's all just one click away. Let me show you how exactly this works. So here on ImagineArt, open up Ad Studio. This is where the magic happens. This is where you create ads in any style or category with just a few clicks. Think of it as your entire marketing agency sitting right in front of you. The first thing you'll see is a library of sample ads. These aren't templates or random clips. They're real ads built to catch your attention and actually work. Any one of them can be your starting point. And here's the whole flow. You add your product, either upload it or just drop in a URL and let ImagineArt pull it off your website for you. Then you choose your avatar, your format, your hook, and your scene. Set your aspect ratio, resolution, and duration, and hit create. No prompts, no technical work, nothing. That's how simple it is. You could realistically run your brand's entire social media from here without paying UGC creators or hiring a creative team. Step 1, add your product. First, your product. Super easy, just paste your product URL or upload it manually, and that's it. Step 2, choose your avatar. Next, your avatar. Pick one from the library, or you can upload your own. Depends entirely on you. Step 3, pick your format. Now, the format. UGC, unboxing, ASMR tutorials, virtual try-ons, hypermotion, and more. Every one of them is built specifically for marketing. For this one, I'm going with the UGC. Step 4, choose your hook. Next up, the hook. This part is the most crucial. Let's be honest, nobody's attention span lasts more than 3 seconds. But no worries, Ad Studio has a whole set of hooks designed to grab attention instantly. I'm picking the one with the ceiling break. Trust me, you'll see why in a minute. Step 5, pick your scene. Choose the scene or environment for your ad. It can be realistic or completely unrealistic. There are no limits here. I really like this classroom scene, so let's go with it. Step 6, add a prompt. Now you can add a prompt, but this one isn't mandatory. Ad Studio already runs prompts in the backend, specifically engineered for quality and virality. But if you want something more specific, just add a line or two and it will handle the rest. Output settings. Last, set your aspect ratio, resolution, and duration. Vertical for TikTok and Reels, horizontal for YouTube. Whatever you need, just one click away. Okay, now, just hit generate. This is crazy. Look at the hook, the pacing, the details. It looks completely real. This is the kind of ad that stops the scroll and keeps people watching. Remember, this took just a few clicks. No shoot, no editing, nothing. Okay, let's try one more. This time, Pro Virtual Try-On. I'm adding our jersey here as a product. And for the avatar, I'll pick one of the female influencers. And here's the cool part. You don't need to write any prompt or script for this one. Ad Studio reads your entire product and builds the entire ad around it automatically. That's what makes it stand out. So, just hit generate. I'm honestly amazed. Look at the motion, the camera movement, and the product stayed exactly the same. No warping, no morphing, nothing weird. And that's what I call a high production ad, made from just a product and a character. You don't have to blow your budget on creative anymore. So that's Ad Studio, the latest upgrade on ImagineArt. Whether you're a brand, a dropshipper, or a marketer, you can now create ads that sell without the cost or the hassle, or without any technical skills. It's easy, it's fast, and the potential here is genuinely huge. You have to try it yourself. Link is in the description below. Go make your first ad and let me know in the comments which ad style you tried first. For now, that's it from me. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.